Hello, and welcome to the 6th episode of 3D for Everyone. In today's episode, we will discuss how to make our 3D models stand out. So we always need to add at least 2 models. One will be the main model, and one will be a complementary model. For instance, don't just model a sword or a cup. Model a sword and a stand on a wall, a cup and a saucer on a table. Look at how much better these ones look. In this video, I will demonstrate this using the house we modeled. For today, I will just be adding a stone pathway. However, if I wanted to make it more interesting, I could add many more objects like a fence, a mailbox, grass, maybe some trees, and so on. The possibilities are endless, and you are only limited by your own creativity. Now I will demonstrate this by making a flat stone. I start by using a cylinder and changing the amount of edges it has in the attribute editor. Then I scale it. Drag it up. Now I adjust the vertices to give it a stonish shape. Then in object mode I drag this stone, while holding shift to copy it. Now I adjust the vertices of the second stone, so that it looks different from the first one. Now I repeat this process of copying depending on how much stones I need, and then adjusting the vertices. Once you are done, adjust the placement of each stone so that it matches each other and the scene. Add more stones to fill up any gap. Once you have enough stones, and they are in position, we will add supporting edges so that the stone keeps its shape. Since there are tries on the stone, I select all the edges and bevel it. Now I will convert this into quads by adding and deleting edges in the right places. I will do this for all the stones. I delete the bottom part since it won't be visible in the scene, and it will decrease the scene face count. The process of making your model attractive may get tedious in the later part of the modeling, so remember to take constant breaks to freshen up your mind and refresh your eyes. It is very important that you stay refreshed throughout your modeling session so that you create efficiently without getting stuck. During my modeling sessions, I reach a point where my back starts to pain, so I get up, have a quick walk, stretch, grab a bottle of water to stay hydrated, and then get back on. This helps me to stay sharp and not get burnt out. Taking a break from constantly looking at your monitor is good, not only for your workflow, but also for your health. With this, we have reached the end of our episode. Thank you for watching till the end. My channel is not doing very good, but I am thankful for what little progress we have made together. I will dish out more videos in the coming days, so be sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification to stay tuned for my new videos. I will leave you guys with a render of this model. Until next time, take care and stay tuned.